So I have this patch of sweet Woodruff plants here. I decided to use them as companion plants for my tomatoes. So I just used this tulip transplanting tool to just carefully insert the flowers in there. And then you just kind of wiggle it inside so you get some plants in there and just push down until it's deep enough. Wiggle it in, shake it a bit and take it out. And you have your transplant ready. Now I just take it over to my planting bed, take out the transplant that I have here, and just carefully lay it down on the planting bed for now. And then I use the same tool to make a hole for the transplant that I'm going to use. Wiggle it in, shake it a bit, pull it out, and the dirt should come inside there, and just put that aside. Then just put the plant inside there, use some of the dirt to fill it up nice and tight. And take that dirt and put it back in the hole where you took the transplant from. Now you can repeat this process as many times as you need to put some companion plants with your tomatoes, because having companion plants helps with pollination. These little flowers attract pollinators and you should get a better crop. If you like this video, comment, subscribe, and like. Take care. Bye-bye.